After backing underneath your trailer onto it for a pre-trip on a trailer, back under, approach your front of your trailer onto it, check your glad hand air seals, make sure that they are in good condition onto it and not leaking onto it. Look at the front of the trailer onto it, note any damages, missing bolts, possible for the freight being pushed out on the wall onto it. Also check, open your permit box, make sure that your registration and current DOT form is in the permit box and that your DOT is current. Looking at the side of the trailer onto it, you're looking for any rips, tears, or holes in the side of the trailer. Looking for any rub marks, damages, not only in the side panels, but also the lower rail. Looking for missing bolts, frame member, cross member bolts onto it. If these are damaged or knocked off onto it, that is a DOT issue that needs to be addressed onto it. With your lights onto it, we're gonna check our midline turn signals and marker light onto it. Make sure that the turn signal and marker light are both working onto it. Check your skirts for securement, that they are not flopping in the breeze too much onto it. Tire carrier is not damaged and is securely mounted. Check under the bottom of the trailer for all of your cross members onto it to make sure that they are not damaged and the floor is secure and no holes in the floor. Air lines, make sure they're a minimum of 9 inches from the ground onto it or not dragging, and they are not rubbing against each other. Make sure that your slide pins, 2 on each side, are engaged fully onto it so the trailer does not slide when you don't want it to. Inspect your tires, 2/32 of an inch tread depth all the way around, no flat spots onto it. Check in between your tires, make sure there's no debris between the tires. Check your lug nuts, make sure you don't see any rust trails indicating loose lug nuts onto it. Check your oil level in your hub to make sure there's enough oil. Check auto air lines, make sure they're not rubbing or damaged onto it. Check your overall condition of your rim for damage on the rim onto it, bends, cracks, illegal welds. We're gonna do the exact same thing for this set of tires on this side onto it here. Check everything like we did on the front ones onto it. Continue your DOT reflective tape, must be at least 75% coverage from front to rear. Door holdback is in place. Rear marker light, ABS light comes on, should go off within 5 seconds onto it for the test onto it. Rear of the trailer. Overall condition of the rear of the trailer, the doors onto it, make sure none of the hinges are broke. Don't see any gaps in the weather seals onto it. Checking your lights, turn signals work, marker lights work, brake lights work. Check your DOT bumper onto it, make sure it's not damaged, bent, or broken, no cracked welds, and that there is DOT reflective tape across 80% of the rear. Open your doors. Make sure that they open correctly onto it. Look at the interior of the trailer into it. Look at your roof. Make sure you don't see any signs of light in your roof. Make sure that your rub rails are straight and not bent, damaged, or broken. Look at your floor. Make sure your floor is clean and there's no cracks or damages to the floor onto it. Upper marker lights are also working on this. Rear marker light is operational onto it. Check the overall condition of the right side of the trailer onto it. Don't see any damages, any at least damage to the side onto the tire, the side of the trailer onto it. Again, we're going to check our tires on this side the same way we did on the opposite side. Inside, outside. Check for debris between each, land onto it. Oil in the hubs, auto air lines, not damaged or leaking onto it. Brakes. You look from the opposite side of the trailer onto it, you can see your brake shoes. The minimum 1/4 of an inch. You check every position. It's easiest to check from the opposite side to looking across it onto it, just as a general practice onto it. It's easier to see the opposite side than the side that you're standing on. So we're checking our DOT tape, make sure it's 75% coverage onto it. Again, our skirts are intact onto it and not flopping in the wind. Mid-turn light is working correctly onto it. No excessive damage on the sides. And our top marker lights are operational as well. And that is basically a pre-trip on a trailer.